Ethereum shatters on-chain records, $135 billion DEX volume, 48M TXs, $240 billion TVL. What's driving it? DX. Ethereum. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, August 29, 2025. Ethereum has smashed multiple on-chain records in August 2025, showing a resurgence of activity across decentralized finance, DeFi, and institutional investment. According to on-chain data, the network recorded its strongest activity since 2021, with decentralized exchange, DEX, volume climbing to $135 billion, total transactions reaching 48 million, and active addresses hitting 15 million. Total value locked, TVL, across Ethereum-based protocols surged to nearly $240 billion, marking a new high in decentralized finance participation. Ethereum's total transaction volume rose to $320 billion in August 2025, the highest in 4 years, driven by resurgent DeFi activity, institutional inflows, and sharply reduced transaction fees. Ethereum ETF boom pushes holdings to $30 billion, 5.4% of market cap. The boom coincides with a surge in spot Ethereum ETF activity in the United States. Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seifert reported that Ether ETFs have absorbed nearly $10 billion in inflows since July, bringing total flows since launch to $13.6 billion. August alone is expected to close with $4 billion in net inflows, positioning it as the second-largest month on record for Ethereum funds. By comparison, Bitcoin ETFs have registered $622.5 million in net outflows during the same period. Daily ETF flows show this divergence. Between August 21st and 26th, spot Ether ETFs attracted nearly $2 billion, dwarfing Bitcoin's $171 million in inflows. On one of the busiest trading days, August 26th, Ethereum funds brought in $455 million in new capital, while Bitcoin ETFs managed just $81 million. BlackRock's iShares Ethereum Trust, ETHA, dominates the sector, with $17.2 billion in net assets, more than half the market. Fidelity's FETH follows with $3.7 billion, while Bitwise ETHV has grown to $3.2 billion. Data from SoSoValue shows U.S.-listed Ether ETFs now hold $30.17 billion in assets, equal to 5.4% of Ether's total market capitalization. The flow shift has been stark when compared with Bitcoin. Over the past 5 trading days, Ethereum ETFs attracted $1.83 billion in inflows, 10 times the $171 million absorbed by Bitcoin funds. Analysts say this marks Ethereum's strongest monthly outperformance against Bitcoin since Ether ETFs launched in July 2024. Ethereum reserves quadrupled since April amid ETF and treasury demand. Alongside ETFs, corporate treasuries are also fueling Ethereum's supply squeeze. Data from the Strategic ETH Reserve (SER) dashboard shows that entities and ETFs together now hold 11.2 million ETH, equivalent to 9.3% of the circulating supply. Of this, 6.78 million ETH sits in ETFs, while 4.44 million ETH is held by private firms and institutional reserves. The net supply change over the past week has been negative, with 669,500 ETH withdrawn from circulation, highlighting a tightening supply dynamic. This concentration has nearly quadrupled since April, when reserves totaled around 3 million ETH. The largest private accumulator is Bitmine Immersion Tech, which now holds 1.8 million ETH worth $7.75 billion after expanding its position by nearly 187% over the past month. SharpLink Gaming ranks second with 797,700 ETH, while the Ether Machine and the Ethereum Foundation hold 345,400 ETH and 231,600 ETH, respectively. The data suggests private entities are matching the intensity of ETF demand, accelerating Ethereum's institutionalization. This dual engine of ETF flows and treasury accumulation has translated into strong price action. History shows Ethereum's green August's lead to explosive Q4 gains. Ethereum's performance in August has historically carried strong implications for the months ahead, and this year is no exception. Data from CoinGlass shows that when Ether closes August in the green, subsequent months have delivered average gains of around 60%. The pattern was clear in 2017, when a 92.9% August surge set the stage for another 91% rally into year-end during the ICO boom. In 2020, Ethereum rose 25.3% in August, and then soared 69% through December amid DeFi's first major wave. Even in 2021, during an overheated bull market, ETH gained 35.6% in August and added another 17.8% in the fourth quarter. The flip side is also clear. Red August closes have historically led to year-end drawdowns averaging minus 14.1%. Analysts caution, however, that every bullish August has been followed by a negative September, with early pullbacks averaging 17% before strong Q4 rebounds. Institutional flows appear to be reinforcing the cycle this time around. Blockchain firm Arkham reported that 9 wallets acquiring $456.8 million in ETH this week, with an additional $164 million in purchases tracked through FalconX and Galaxy Digital. Long-term Bitcoin holders are also rotating into Ether. One 2013-era wallet moved $83 million to Binance, while another whale, holding over $5 billion in BTC, has been steadily buying billions in ETH through Hyperliquid. Arkham confirmed that 4 whale addresses scooped up another $357 million worth of ETH between August 27th and 28th alone. Technical analysts see striking similarities between ETH's current market structure and its 2020-21 breakout. After consolidating for months between $1,000 and $2,000, Ether broke above $2,500 and is now testing higher levels near $4,800 to $5,000. This resistance zone, corresponding with its previous all-time high, has triggered a rejection, raising the possibility of a pullback to $3,600 to $3,800 before any sustainable breakout. If the 2021 fractal repeats, ETH could be preparing for a parabolic run towards $6,000 to $8,000. Ethereum is currently trading at $4,332, down 4.1% in the past 24 hours and 6.1% on the week. Despite being 11% below its new all-time high of $4,946 set on August 24th, the token remains up 16.6% over the past month and more than 73% in the last 3 months. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Cardano and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? August 29, 2025. BlackRock offloads millions in BTC after weekly buys, market manipulation, or routine rebalance. Trump to launch $40 billion WLFI token September 1st. Ethereum news. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest buys $15.6 million BMNR bet on Tom Lee's ETH treasury. 2 days ago, by Hassan Shittu. Altcoin news. Raoul Pal sees XRP poised for strong uptrend as full porting begins. 2 days ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Press releases. XRP MasterCard officially launched. Gemini supports fine mining XRP contracts. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 7 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 1 day ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.